Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure the HomePod Mini is added to the Home app under the same Apple ID used by your Apple TV. Once done, verify both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and fully updated TV OS and HomePod firmware. Move the HomePod Mini close to the Apple TV so they can pair cleanly. Now open the Home app to confirm the HomePod appears in the same home and room as the Apple TV. That alignment is required to proceed. You next use the Home app to align rooms and permissions. Tap the HomePod Mini, choose Settings, and set its room to match the Apple TV's room. This room match lets Apple TV find the HomePod as an available speaker. Make sure the HomePod shows online and has a distinct name if you have multiple speakers. This prevents confusion when selecting output. Once the room and name are settled, leave the Home app open and switch to the Apple TV to complete the connection. You finalize the link on the Apple TV. Go to Settings, then Video and Audio, then Default Audio Output. Choose the HomePod Mini listed for that room. The Apple TV will route TV audio to the HomePod. Make sure the HomePod volume is audible and the TV's internal speakers aren't forced by any sound mode. If audio doesn't switch, restart the Apple TV and HomePod, verify both use the same Apple ID and Wi-Fi, and recheck the Home app room assignment. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.